Several LK domains are currently being affected by a malicious redirection. Several users in Sri Lanka have complained the Google.lk country-level domain is being redirected to another site, which highlights issues faced by IT workers in Sri Lanka. In what appears to be a major domain-level hijack, Sri Lanka traffic of Google.lk seems to be redirected to a propaganda page. Feedback received is it's a clustered issue. CERT is aware of the redirect and coordinating with relevant stakeholders, says cybersecurity experts. Hackers who hacked into .lk domain registry says we didn't steal, delete your data, sorry for the headache. This also looks like an awareness campaign, though it's a questionable and unconventional one. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos.